Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Tagro Farm. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys three importance of pruning. Do you have a banana farm or a plantain farm? You want to know why do we even prune? What are the importance of pruning? I'm going to share with you these 3 points that will help you actually boost your yield, help you get the best of your plantain. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into this video. Okay guys, if you look closely, you will see that this guy has a good number of leaves. When I talk about good number, I mean SS. It has a good number of leaves in SS. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the 12th leaf is actually popping up. So number one reason why you should prune is that excess leaves take away the nutrients your banana requires to grow. So when you have in excess banana leaves or plantain leaves, you're actually sharing more nutrients, more energy than required. So this guy deserves a whole lot of energy, a whole lot of power, a whole lot of nutrients to actually produce and yield very well. And you have to do what? Control the number of leaves on this individual banana plant. So I always require you have about 8 to 10 leaves per plant. So 8 to 10 will also help to balance sunlight attraction, that will also help to produce the food it requires, moderately maintain the number of leaves on this individual banana plant. So it sucks a lot of energy from, or they suck a lot of energy from your banana plant or your plantain when you have leaves in excess. Okay, let's look at the second reason why we prune. The second point, it enables fast growth. Look at this guy here. You can see how tall this guy is, taller than me. This guy is about 6 point, maybe probably 6.5 feet, going to 7 feet. I'm 5'6", probably 6.5 or 6.6. So when you look at the way this guy is growing pretty quick, so when you prune, it sends a signal to your banana plant that, man, this is the time for me to actually grow very fast. It quickens or it fastens the growth of your banana plant. This guy is about 5 months old and they are growing pretty fast because we do what? We prune constantly and we maintain an adequate number of leaves per plant. We're not saying you should prune your plant to death. Of course, if you look closely, you see that we pruned a few days ago. We did our pruning. When you leave a lot of banana leaves, it is going to share those energy, it's going to share those nutrients. So when you take away excess of the leaves, then the banana will have to do what? Shoot out more leaves. Those energy will be directed towards bringing out or shooting out more leaves, and then production will also be faster. So, and that's an additional point. So let's get to the third point. All right, let's look at the third point, which will be pest control. You see these guys, when they are dry, they harbor a whole lot of pests and they are not good for your banana plant. So the third point, when we talk about pruning, very important, it helps to control pests. So when you have dried leaves hanging on your plant, they harbor pests that can actually harm or infest your banana plant. So it's quite important that you prune at all times. If you look at our banana stem, they're looking pretty neat. You can see how neat our banana stems are looking. So, and it's also important that you take off these guys when they are dry. When they start to decay, try to maintain the base of your banana plant, because most of the times the pest that will actually attack this guy is going to come from the base upwards. And when you have a dried leaves hanging on this banana plant, they're also going to harbor pests. So it's also good you trim off and prune excess leaves or dried leaves at all times. Okay. So we're going to give you an additional tip as a bonus tip. Okay guys, a bonus tip. Let me give you one more tip. Remember, I promised you 3 tips that actually help your banana plant when you prune them. So a bonus tip is that when you prune, it actually helps your plantain or your banana to actually produce very fast. In this case, when you prune your banana or your plantain, they produce fast. They produce as at when due. Sometimes your banana plant can actually take you more time to produce than required. That is because you are not doing proper maintenance or proper care of your orchard or of your plantain farm. So but when you take care of them, prune regular, control pests and all that, which they do what? They produce very fast. So pruning will also help them to also produce very fast as at when due. Behind me is our plantain orchard. Here is where we have our banana orchard. So the younger ones you are seeing here, they are a banana orchard, then goes beyond. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's episode. Please, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please do well. Click the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. If you learned something, why not click the like button? Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Help us share this video and also turn on the notification that anytime we post an educative video like this, you also learn or you also be the first to be notified. So see you on the next one. My name is Tochukwu. All right. You can see we just prune this guy. So here we've actually cut down, I think, 3 leaves. We did cut down 3, left with 2, 4, 6, and 8. So it's good we maintain 8 number. So we also prune this guy. You can see how tall this guy is looking. One of the tallest we have here. So it's also maintaining a good number. We have a 2, 4, 6, and 8. So and then I think we did prune some other ones. So we prune this guy. We also prune this guy here. So let's count the number of leaves on it. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's the ninth one popping out. So it's good you maintain your plant in this manner.